my thing. I want to do a store visit. All lovely people. Here it is. So Tree of Life Wellness, intentional wellness. The word intentional is really critical in this, and I think it's beautiful. So everybody, well done to that. Nice neutral interior design, well displayed, neat. Thanks to Dom, you'll meet Dom Nana. Love the logo, the tree. They stock Vet Pro, which is always a good thing. We've got to take care of our animals always. AfriGold Wellness, they're doing edibles. That's it. Neat, tidy, no noise, just intention. Domo, how's it, dude? Cool and you? What is Tree of Life intentional wellness?
We focus mostly on the medicinal side of things when it comes to cannabis and functional mushroom-derived products, whether it's from edibles, oils, vape devices, down to supplements and things of the sort, which is everything trying to promote cannabis in more of an intentional manner. So using it for medicinal purposes like sleep, pain, anxiety, everything in between. So it just depends. And almost obviously we have a massive range, so if there's anything that you might be looking for in terms of mushrooms or medicinal cannabis and things like that, we most likely have it.
What brought you to the industry?
Just to stay up with cannabis, I like to do a lot of research when it comes to the medicinal benefits of cannabis, how it can help us in our day-to-day life, things of the sort. And that kind of just got my interest. And then a while back, I got into the industry through a retail job, and then I just kind of stayed with it since then. So I've been with it for quite a substantial amount of time now.
Okay.
And leave the industry. So
you don't, huh?
No, it's absolutely fantastic. Getting to get rid of that stigma of cannabis being bad and everything of the sort. So I quite enjoyed it. It's nice.
If you had anything to say to wannabe bud tenders and existing bud tenders,
yeah.
And I'm not saying that you are one, what would you say? Because you sound informed, and I think that's a real vital part of the industry.
100%. My main thing I would obviously advise people is just really doing a bit more research when it comes to knowledge and things like that on cannabis products, how they actually affect you, how they actually affect your body, the actual benefits you get from it, side effects and things and sort of get included as well. Just obviously getting more around it when it comes to your knowledge on cannabis, so that you can better inform your customer about the way they should be using the products, giving them the correct products instead of just getting things to get people high. Which is kind of like, again, most of the stigma on cannabis just being used to get people high. I like the fact that the Tree of Life influence is a way that's more medicinal to actually be a bit more functional.
Yeah. 100%. Love it.
Fantastic.
Legend, Dom. Thanks for your time.
Anytime. Have a great day.
You too. How's it? Thanks, guys. That was cool. Don't follow us. Just join us, roll with us, keep rolling, all the cool stuff.